Ready to make a difference? Invest in Timor-Leste today and be part of a brighter future. Timor-Leste, Southeast Asia's youngest nation, a land of promise and potential, is bursting with untapped potential, waiting to be discovered. Located strategically between Indonesia and Australia, it sits at a crossroads of culture and commerce, a gateway to new markets and opportunities. The country's dramatic mountains, a testament to its rugged beauty, lush forests, teeming with biodiversity, and pristine beaches, kissed by the turquoise waters of the Timor Sea, offer a stunning backdrop for new ventures and sustainable development. Since gaining independence in 2002, after a long and arduous journey, Timor-Leste has been building its future from the ground up, brick by brick, dream by dream. Its people are resilient, youthful, and eager for progress, ready to embrace the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. For entrepreneurs, visionary leaders, this is a rare chance to make a real impact in a market on the rise, to shape the future of a nation. The government is actively seeking foreign investment, recognizing its crucial role in driving economic growth and working to create a business-friendly environment, reducing red tape and fostering innovation. Timor-Leste is transitioning from post-conflict recovery to rapid development, a transformation that is both inspiring and full of potential. Investors have a unique window to get in early, to be pioneers in a new frontier, and help shape the nation's growth, contributing to a brighter future for all Timorese. The country's natural beauty is a major asset, a draw for tourists and a source of national pride, especially for tourism and agriculture, sectors with immense potential for sustainable growth. New institutions and infrastructure are being built, laying the foundation for a modern and prosperous nation, opening doors to the world, connecting Timor-Leste to global markets and opportunities. The spirit of the Timorese people drives progress and innovation, their determination and resilience a source of inspiration. For those seeking to build a business that matters, a business with purpose and impact, Timor-Leste is a compelling proposition, a land of opportunity waiting to be unlocked. Here, your investment isn't just welcomed, it's embraced. It's vital to the country's journey forward, a catalyst for positive change. This is a place where new ideas can thrive, where innovation is encouraged, and leave a lasting legacy, shaping the future for generations to come. The story of Timor-Leste is one of hope, resilience, and opportunity, a testament to the human spirit. Will you be part of its next chapter? Will you join us in building a brighter future for Timor-Leste? Let's take a closer look at the numbers, shall we? It's essential to understand the current economic landscape to appreciate the opportunities that lie ahead. Timor-Leste's economy is showing promising signs, stabilizing after a period of volatility, and demonstrating steady growth. This positive trajectory is creating a more attractive environment for investment and development. GDP is steadily on the rise, indicating a strengthening economic foundation. This upward trend reflects increased productivity and overall economic activity within the nation. This growth is further validated with positive forecasts from reputable institutions like the World Bank and the Asian Development Bank, signaling confidence in Timor-Leste's economic future. The Petroleum Fund, carefully built from revenues generated by oil and gas resources, plays a crucial role in supporting the nation's financial stability. This fund underpins significant government investment in vital infrastructure projects, laying the groundwork for long-term economic development and improved quality of life. Investment extends to education and essential health services, ensuring a healthier and more skilled population for the future. Timor-Leste is fortunate to have one of the youngest populations in the entire Asia-Pacific region, a dynamic demographic advantage. With a significant portion of the population under the age of 25, the nation is brimming with potential. This translates to a rapidly growing workforce, eager to contribute to the economy and a burgeoning consumer market with evolving needs and desires. As these young individuals increasingly enter the workforce, the demand for a wider array of new goods and innovative services is poised to surge, creating exciting opportunities for businesses. The adoption of the US dollar as the official currency provides a stable and predictable financial environment. This eliminates the complexities and risks associated with currency exchange, making Timor-Leste a more attractive destination for international investors. This streamlined system simplifies financial transactions, ensuring that pricing strategies and financial reporting are straightforward and transparent. Inflation remains stable, and the government is actively focused on diversifying the economy beyond its reliance on oil and gas revenues. paving the way for a more resilient and sustainable future. Key sectors such as agriculture, tourism, and the development of fisheries are being actively promoted through government initiatives and strategic investments. This determined push for diversification presents a wealth of real opportunities for forward-thinking entrepreneurs and innovative businesses. The government recognizes the critical need for new industries to drive job creation and generate sustainable revenue streams for the nation. This is your unique chance to play a significant role in shaping a rapidly growing economy and contributing to the prosperity of Timor-Leste. Timor-Leste is actively inviting investors from around the globe to join in its transformative journey and become partners in its success. The fundamental groundwork has been firmly set, creating a solid foundation for sustainable and long-term business growth. The opportune time to act and invest is now, as Timor-Leste stands on the cusp of significant economic advancement. The question remains, will you seize this exceptional opportunity and become a part of Timor-Leste's promising future? Timing is everything, and 2025 is the moment for Timor-Leste. The country is shifting from nation-building to economic growth. The government is making it easier for businesses to set up and thrive. Timor-Leste's recent entry into ASEAN is a game-changer, opening access to a massive regional market. Early movers will benefit from reduced trade barriers and new opportunities. Major infrastructure upgrades, roads, ports, airports are underway, lowering costs for new businesses. International partners and NGOs offer training, mentorship, and seed funding. A supportive ecosystem is emerging for entrepreneurs. The combination of government will, regional integration, and infrastructure investment makes this a unique window. The opportunity to shape a nation's future doesn't come often. Get in early, and you'll be positioned for the coming wave of growth. The time is now. Will you be part of it? Agriculture is Timor-Leste's backbone, but most farming is still subsistence-based. This creates huge potential for modern commercial agriculture. Local demand for fresh produce is high, yet much is imported. Efficiently growing vegetables, fruits, or livestock can capture this market. Timorese coffee is world-renowned. There's room to add value with processing, branding, and direct export. Crops like vanilla, cacao, and spices thrive here and offer export potential. Aquaculture is another frontier, with clean waters ideal for fish and seaweed farming. Modern techniques, irrigation, greenhouses, farmer training can boost yields and profits. Businesses that combine production with education and technology will have a lasting impact. Success stories like Cooperativa Café Timor show what's possible. The opportunity is to feed the nation and create export revenue. Help modernize agriculture, and you'll help build food security and prosperity. The market is ready for innovation. Will you help cultivate it? Timor-Leste is a hidden gem for adventurous travelers. Its untouched nature, world-class diving, and rich culture are waiting to be discovered. Ataro Island's coral reefs are among the most biodiverse on Earth, a magnet for divers. Rugged mountains, ancient sites, and authentic local experiences offer endless possibilities. Ecotourism and adventure travel are ripe for development. Think eco-lodges, guided treks, and community stays. These ventures require modest investment but deliver high-value, unique experiences. Ataro Dive Resort's success proves the potential for quality tourism businesses. The government is improving visa processes and promoting the country abroad. Training local staff and building partnerships are key to success. Entrepreneurs who act now will shape a major pillar of the economy. You're not just selling a holiday, you're offering an unforgettable adventure. The world is looking for new destinations. Will you help put Timor-Leste on the map? Reliable, affordable energy is vital, and Timor-Leste needs it. Many rural areas still lack electricity, and diesel generators are costly and polluting. The country's abundant sun and wind make it ideal for renewable energy projects. Solar power is especially promising, from home systems to village mini-grids. Social enterprises are already proving the demand for solar solutions. Scaling up can bring power to more communities and create new businesses. The government is offering incentives for private investment in renewables. Hydropower, wind, and waste-to-energy also have potential. Innovative energy solutions will find a receptive market. You're not just selling power, you're empowering communities and building a sustainable future. The energy sector is open for innovation. Will you help light up Timor-Leste? The opportunity is bright. Timor-Leste's digital economy is just beginning to take off. Internet and smartphone use are rising, but digital services are still scarce. This is a golden opportunity for entrepreneurs to build the country's digital infrastructure. Fintech can revolutionize payments and financial inclusion. Imagine mobile wallets for remote farmers. E-commerce platforms can connect buyers and sellers nationwide, unlocking new markets. Logistics solutions are needed to make online shopping work. Digital skills training, coding, marketing, data analysis is in high demand. Businesses that provide affordable, high-quality training will be invaluable. By investing in digital, you're building the foundation of a modern economy. Success stories from the region show what's possible. The digital frontier is wide open. Will you help connect Timor-Leste to the world? The future is online. Timor-Leste is a land of promise, a nation brimming with potential just waiting to be unlocked. With a young, resilient spirit, a population eager to learn and grow, and a future waiting to be written, Timor-Leste is ready for progress. Opportunities abound in agriculture, from sustainable farming practices to exporting unique local produce. Tourism, with its pristine beaches and rich cultural heritage, offers incredible possibilities for ecotourism and hospitality ventures. Energy, particularly renewable sources like solar and hydro, is crucial for powering the nation's growth and development. And digital services are real and ready for bold entrepreneurs, offering innovative solutions and connecting Timor-Leste to the global marketplace. Building a business here means creating jobs, providing livelihoods, and empowering the local workforce. It means improving lives, strengthening communities, and shaping a nation's future for generations to come. The government is open for business and actively seeking partners for sustainable and inclusive growth. With its strategic location in Southeast Asia, a stable US dollar economy, and its path towards ASEAN integration, the foundations for long-term success are undeniably strong. Now is the opportune time to get in early, establish your presence, and grow alongside this dynamic country. Look beyond the immediate challenges. See the vast opportunities and the profound potential for positive impact. This is your chance to be more than just an investor. Be a pioneer, forging new paths, a partner, collaborating for mutual benefit, a builder, contributing to lasting development. The opportunity is here, ripe for the taking, for those with vision, determination, and unwavering grit. Explore Timor-Leste, discover its hidden gems, talk to its warm and welcoming people, and see the boundless possibilities for yourself. The next chapter of this nation's inspiring story is being written right now, in this very moment. Will you seize this opportunity and help shape it, contributing to a brighter future for all? The invitation is open, the door is unlocked. Are you ready to seize it, embrace the challenge, and embark on a journey of growth and impact?